aldehydes are more reactive than ketone towards nucleophile. So you should know the word what is a nucleophile. Let us take two aldehydes. One is acetaldehyde CH3 double bond O H. This is acetaldehyde. Then another ketone is acetone CH3 C double bond O CH3. Here, due to the electronegativity of oxygen, this carbon will be having partial positive charge and this oxygen will be having partial negative. Here also, this will having partial positive and partial negative. So what is a nucleophile? Nucleophile will be having a negative charge. It will attract a positive charge. That is, nucleophilus attack on the carbon atom. We have to compare that aldehydes is more reactive than ketone. That means a nucleophile can easily approach aldehyde than ketone. Why? So we have two reasons for this. The first reason is steric. The first reason is steric hindrance. See, ketone is having two larger methyl groups. But aldehyde is having only one methyl group or it is relatively having small H. So, the presence of two relatively larger alkyl groups hinders the nucleophile. So the approach of nucleophile is easy in the case of aldehyde, but it is difficult in the case of ketone. Another reason is electronic reason. So what is electronic reason? See, this methyl group is having positive inductive effect. This will donate electron. Here, this will donate electron and this will donate electron. So what happens? Here the partial positive charge, the density decreases. That means the electrophilicity decreases. That means what? It is giving electron. So what happens? This electron will somewhat neutralize this positive charge. So the density of the positive charge decreases. So nucleophile will be less. Here in this ketone, the giving of electron is by two methyl groups. So what happens? There will be more electrons given. So this partial negative charge will be less. So attack of nucleophile is less. So you have two reasons. One is steric hindrance and electronic reason. See here, the two alkyl groups in ketone decreases the electrophilicity of carbon. So aldehydes are more reactive than ketone.